Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, as you guys can see, we have 3 packages on here. Today is going to be a triple unboxing. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family, and also please do not forget to turn on your notifications so you know whenever I post a brand new video, and share this video with your friends and family. Let them come join this fun. All right guys, so as I stated, this is going to be a triple unboxing. I'm so super excited, and I know you guys are here for the unboxing. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. All right, guys. So as I stated, you guys can see we have 3 packages in here. So this is going to be actually 3 Louis Vuitton SLG unboxing. I purchased all of these items from Bagriculture, like I stated in one of my other videos. Is a company that sells pre-owned new luxury designer items, and they have an Instagram actual account where they usually do live and they do the sales and stuff, and they also have a website. So if you guys are interested in it, I will link their website below and put Anthony's information, who's the bag father. They're so amazing. Anyway, let's stop all this talking and get into this unboxing, okay? So let's start with, let me see, which one do I want to start? Because this is the one I think is brand new. So let's start with this one. I turned it this way because on the other side it has my address, and I don't want that to come out. So let's get this way, unbox real quick. Alrighty guys, and I usually love when he does this because he packages so great. And I did also win some items when I purchased these, so I'm not sure exactly what he put in it, but I did won some other item. And let's see what this first item is with the unboxing. Okay guys, yeah, this is so amazing. So this one right here, guys, as you guys can see, this is my Louis Vuitton, the LV pochette accessoire. Oh my God, this thing looks so beautiful. Oh, and then he put everything in it that I won. Oh, he's so amazing. All right, so I did win this Coach card case when I purchased this item, which is so beautiful. And this was another item that I actually purchased. So this one is actually the mini pochette, but in the denim material. Wow, this looks so good, guys. It is even better in person. Wow. Look at this. This is so pretty. No stain, nothing. So this is in the denim material. So this is the mini pochette right here that I did buy as well. So I purchased this because I wanted something. I wanted the mini pochette, but I wanted something a little bit different. So I end up getting this one, which is a mini pochette, but it's in the denim material. And these are really expensive, so I was able to get it for like a really great price with Anthony and the Bagriculture. As you guys can see, it comes with the LV padlock chain that we're so used to, guys. And as you guys can see, it comes in here. So this one is the mini pochette. The mini pochette. This is so beautiful. I actually love it in person. Like it's so good. Wow. And then this is my pochette accessoire, which looks so good, guys. Like there's no stain, nothing. It has the code right here. It has, wow, this looks so good, guys. Like it is in great condition. Like the canvas is even more pretty in person, guys. Like nothing, like wow. And then look at even the little strap thing right here. Look how good it look. Like this look so good. Oh my God. And I got this for such a great deal because if you want to buy this right now in person, it's going to be around, I think, like 13 or 1400 from the Louis Vuitton website, and or even the Louis Vuitton store, and I wasn't going to pay that price for this. So it does come right here with the certification of authentication to show that this is actually real and brand new, guys. Well, not brand new, but it's real. It's not fake, okay? So you have this, you have the inside, which the inside look so clean. Oh my God, like these, when you buy them pre-loved, sometimes you got to worry about the inside, and the inside literally look brand new, guys. Look, there's no stain, nothing. no fragrance smell, nothing, guys. I am so excited about this one. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. And this one is made in Spain. Let's see if you can see it. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. So this is made in Spain. And even the zipper, guys, is in perfect condition. Because one thing that I've noticed about these items, the zipper can usually be rustic, like really rusty and everything. But look, this zipper is in great condition. So this is my pochette accessoire. Oh my God, I'm so excited to actually have this to my collection, guys. This is so beautiful. And then this is the other SLG. So this is the mini pochette right here, which in the denim material. I think this is so pretty. I might get the other one in the canvas, but I'm also very happy that I have this to my collection. So this is these two right here. And then let's get the last item, which I actually purchased from the same bag of culture. And actually this was brand new. This even have the box that came with it. So let's open this one. So this is the third SLG for this unboxing, guys. Can you guys take a guess of what this is? As you guys can see, it came brand new in the box. This was literally brand new, like they had just opened it during the show, which I was so excited about, guys. Look, still in the box, still brand new. You want to count down so you can know what it is? So let's start the countdown. 3, 2, 1, and let's open this. I'm so excited about this, guys. So it comes with a beautiful box. Okay. It comes with the dust bag. I think you guys might be able to guess what it is based on just the size. But let's open the dust bag. 3, 2, 1. Yes, guys. So I did pick up another mini pochette. Oh my God. This is in the Venice leather. Let's open it. So this is literally brand new, guys. Like brand new, nothing like guys. Look at this. Brand new. You even still got like the stickers on here. This is little guys. Brand new. Look. Look at the LV logo. It still got the sticker on it. Let me see if I can. You see, it still got the sticker on it. This, they opened it on the show. And I was like, oh, I have to have this. Look at this color. And then the amazing thing you see on the sides right here, it has the canvas on here, guys. Look, the canvas is right here. And then the canvas is right here. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh my God. So I did pick up this other mini pochette. So this is in the, I think the venin, let's see if it has any. I don't think it has any of the paperwork. It doesn't have any other paperwork, but it is brand new. So this is in the Venice, I think veneer leather, like that really nice shiny leather. And then on the sides, it has the canvas on here, the monogram canvas on here. And then on here, it has the monogram canvas as well, as you guys can see. And then it has the beautiful LV chain on here. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. So this is another mini pochette. And in the inside, it has right here. So this one is actually made in Paris. Paris. So this is made in France, which I'm so excited about. And as you guys can see, there's no mark, nothing, because it is literally brand spanking new. When I purchased it, there's no issue, nothing, guys. This is brand new, guys. So I do have this mini pochette right here, which is so beautiful. And then I have this other mini pochette right here in the denim. So this is pre-love. And I did buy from the same company, Bag of Culture. So this one is pre-love. This is in the denim. This one is in the, I think, veneer leather, but with the monogram canvas on the side of it. So I have this one. I have this. And then I got my pochette accessoire. So these are the three beauties that I did pick up from Agriculture. As you guys can see, I am in love with every single one of them. Like oh my God, I cannot wait to do comparison, honestly speaking. But I love these items. So these are my three SLG that I literally just picked up, like maybe between a week or two so far, because they are just getting in. One of them actually just came in, and then these items had came in, but I traveled, so I'm just getting back to unboxing. But as you guys can see, so these are the three SLG that I picked up for Louis Vuitton. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Anyway, so that's the video today. It was a triple Louis Vuitton SLG unboxing. I hope you guys love this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join the family. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day.